Leap. Rush me now. To be raising puppies from Max is just a blessing, and I look forward to sharing that experience with some of you. The puppies are sensational. Max's attention to detail, his mental strength and physical ability is really remarkable. So we're just testing our 5-week-old pups. First time out. You know, it's a challenging environment. And we want to just see, I keep talking about who's born to do it. And the only way for us to see this is through these really basic sort of assessment profiles. I say basic, they're far from basic. Let's go to the black bowl with the balls in it. And this is the first time out. Absolutely wonderful. And again, we're going to call in another handler very quickly. Annalise, you step in. Great food drive. An absolutely amazing performance.
Very good girl. Good.
That's absolutely wonderful. So this is Luca, born at the academy. This is a cousin to the current litter. Just the pigment, you know, just true Mali. The intellectual property, the willingness to work, the dynamic ability. It's just an absolute joy to be presenting these type of incredible examples. Examples that are biddable enough to work with women and children, but yet effective enough to stop diabolical criminals. It's a wonderful balance. A young Mali that we bred, very talented young man. Excellent. Go and take him up onto the top platform. Lovely ball drive. Beautiful animal. Wants to work, wants to please.
Yeah. Good. Good.
Okay, so let's take him over. Okay, and the last one then, reward him. Good lad, reward him. There we go. How much is genetic ability, how important is that in relation to early behavior modification? What if you had strong genetics, strong drive, environmental openness, and a brilliant training program? Could that be the recipe for maximum success? Let's follow this journey together. And at the academy, staffing is everything. The more people we have, the more time is spent with the young puppies. And contact is so important at a very early age.
Good.
There's an allegation about rape.
Right, no one there.
Nobody.
No.
Move round. What was that? Max says that CCTV says otherwise.
Yeah, well, it was someone else, right?
Pardon?
It was someone else.
Pass off. Turn around. We have these beautiful puppies. They're 5 weeks now. Feel free to register your interest. We also have the puppies with training packages, the 0 to Hero program, and of course you can do the one-to-one. In my opinion, in my professional opinion, these are some of the most beautiful Malinois puppies available at this time in the UK. Puppy Gravy by Belcando. The excellent duck meat burgers. This is what they've been weaned onto. Brilliant product. Just add a little bit of hot water to it and you can serve it to your puppies like this. What I love most about these duck burgers is that you can choose individual burgers so you're not wasting food. Brilliant product. Speakeasy.com, and we look forward to spending some time with you. Take care for now.